Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to print particular or specific area in Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, you can see here I have a Microsoft Excel worksheet document. Whenever I'm going to print this, you will see it is going to print all the worksheet. But myself, I don't want to print whole sheet. I want to print particular area that I would like to print. So for that, what you have to do, you have to select the area you would like to print. Simply select that, and in your keyboard or in file section, click here print. In here you will see again it's appear all the sheet. So how you can print the specification area? In the settings section, printer settings section, just simply click here and you will find here print selection. So whenever you click on print selection, it will give you in print preview section that it was selected. So from now, if you click print, it will give you that specification area you had selected, and easily you can print your specification area. But maybe you want to print the whole worksheet, you can do so same way, print selection, you can click here print entire workbook. So this is how you can easily print from Microsoft Excel worksheet specification area or a entire worksheet. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.